So today I have a nice short and sweet little video. It is an exciting unboxing. Yes, it's a little unboxing of a bag I've had my eye on for a while now. It's basically one of those bags of the summer 2018 bag, kind of like a statement bag. The brand I bought it from, I bought a bag from them last summer and I've used it so much. To be honest, so many people have it now. There's been loads of copies made of it. It's kind of everywhere. Yeah, I still love it, and I love the brand itself anyway. And then the bag that I got now, which I'm just going to unbox in a second, I've basically seen it all over Instagram. I've wanted it even more so when I've seen it styled up with some really cool ladies sporting it. And yeah, I decided just to get it. I mean, to be honest, I'll probably use it a lot living in Dubai. I have a little holiday coming up very soon now. And just here, I just think it's a cool statement bag to have. It's something that you could have down the line, going to an event such as a wedding or that kind of thing. So anyway, without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so the brand is Cult Gaia. So yeah, last summer I got the Arc, the Cult Gaia Arc, which is now like famous, and it was like the bag of last summer. And even this summer I've done like loads of different colors of it, different like materials such as acrylic, and yeah, it's still going strong and still lovely. Yeah, so I decided this summer to maybe invest in another one of their bags, and hopefully something that will see me through for the next even year, even though it's a summer bag, but you know, there's no rules, I suppose. So it comes in this lovely like round box in the lovely kind of Cult Gaia colors, the rose gold writing and like the peach colored box. And I'm just going to open the lid, and inside you have your dust bag with the Cult Gaia written again, also in kind of pink. And place that over there. Inside, let's take it out. I feel like I need like a drum roll or something here. But anyway, oops. It is the, check it out, the Cult Gaia Luna in white. So this comes in different colors online and in some of the stores that stock it. I love the white because it's a little bit different. I have the kind of natural bamboo color Gaia Arc bag, which I got last summer. So I just thought this is something a little bit different. Will look really nice against a lot of different colors, different outfits. As I said, for weddings, holidays. I'll probably get a lot of wear out of this in Dubai. And it's probably one of the most impractical bags I own. I have a little trick about that in a second, which I will show you. But it has the strap is kind of made of these large like white balls, which are super cute. Now you cannot wear this bag as a crossbody, and they actually tell you that on the site. It's supposed to be worn just kind of like on the shoulder, or just like kind of, you know, down by your side, so like around like that. Now I have heard from a lot of people, and I've read that when you do wear it on your shoulder, it rolls off. So already, so that's great, isn't it? Oh my god, like seriously, the things we do for fashion. But look at, I mean, I think it's lovely to be just carried like kind of like that, just down by your side, or just kind of like on your arm like that, you know. Look at, I'll carry it some way, it'll be carried, it doesn't matter. So it's made of bamboo, and as you can see, I'm just going to open this here now and show you. There's a little latch here, which is really nice. It has the Cult Gaia written there, you can see it, and you just open it, and inside you put everything, all your little bits. It's actually quite a nice size, but put all your bits in, which all can be seen. And just to close it again, you just put it down and put that in. So it's a cute little feature there. Now, from looking at some of the videos on YouTube of this bag, I've picked up a little trick. So I was going to actually invest in a little kind of a pouch to put inside and put all my little bits in it so no one will see what I have, basically. So what I've seen some people do is the dust bag, which is kind of like a nice neutral color, you just pop that in there like that and put all your little bits, your lipstick, your phone, your card holder, keys, whatever. You get a good lot in there actually. And close it up again, and everything is nicely concealed. So I really like that idea. I'm definitely going to use that because it makes it a bit more practical to use, I suppose. So yeah, I'll put the link of the bag down below in the description box. And I bought this online actually. Now I know Net-a-Porter were selling it, but the white was actually out of stock for a while. So I just bought it from the Cult Gaia website itself. Now I'm in Ireland at the moment and they have international delivery. But what I will say is just be careful, because I was landed with a massive import duties bill. So I paid for the bag online and I paid for shipping, everything, but the courier company, which the company use, rang me like the morning before it was delivered saying I have to pay this massive bill. So that was a bit of a downer. I think the duties bill came to like 87 euro. So that was on top of my shipping, on top of the bag. So it ended up being a little bit more expensive than I would have wanted it to be. Knowing me, I didn't care. I just paid for it because I knew the bag was out of stock in a lot of stores and a lot of other online retailers. So I just bought it from the site. But I'll be honest, I was a little bit pissed off with Cult Gaia, with the service there. And when I emailed them about it, they just came back with some kind of like a kind of standard response really. So it didn't really they didn't really say anything about that. So that's just something to take into account if you are going to purchase. Just be careful where you buy it from. Ideally, it's probably better to buy it from a store, and if you are on holidays and you live in the Middle East, you can claim your tax back. But so that's my bag. This is my new little kind of summer kind of holiday bag, I suppose. But be prepared to see it in a lot of my Instagram stuff because I think it's really cute. We'll get over the whole import duties bill and just forget about it and move on. I hope you enjoyed the little unboxing, and I hope I see you back here again for another video very soon. Thank you so much as always for tuning in, and I will see you very soon. Bye.